Okay, students, after discussing our first procedures, our first guidelines about how we are going to evaluate this semester, we are going to start with this lesson, lesson number 1, which is about vowels, vowel sounds, which are very important, just as the consonants that you studied the last semester. And you should pay attention to this topic because we are going to introduce vowel sounds. Okay, we are going to have some readings and you can practice this at home too. Okay, it says lesson number 1, pronouncing the vowels of American English. It says you have probably discovered that there is a big difference between the way words are spelled in English and the way they are pronounced. English spelling patterns are inconsistent and are not always a reliable guide to pronunciation. For example, in the following words, the letter A is used to represent 5 sounds. Look at the first word: hate, father, have, any, so. Pretty confusing, right? That's why we need a set of symbols in which each sound is represented by a different symbol. In this book, you will see symbols used, okay? These are the International Phonetic Alphabet. I know that you studied that the last semester with the other professor, okay? Which is used all over the world. It consists of a set of symbols in which one symbol represents one sound. Don't panic. It is not necessary to learn all the symbols at once. Each sound will be introduced and explained one at a time. You will learn the symbols easily as you progress through the book. A pronunciation key to the different vowels and diphthongs of American English with their IPA symbols are presented below, okay? Refer to it as needed. To help you understand the exact pronunciation of the phonetic symbols and the keywords, the key to pronouncing the vowels of American English is included in the audio program, okay? You will hear each phonetic symbol introduced and pronounced once. Each English keyword will be said once. Okay, students, in this course, this semester, you're going to practice listening to different audios which are included in the book that we are using. Okay, here we have a table, okay? Key to pronouncing the vowels of American English. International Phonetic Alphabet symbol. We have the symbols here on the left, then on the right we have English keywords. For example, E, me, T, P, I, it, pin, A, eight, game, they, e, egg, head, pet, a, at, fat, happy, a, hot, father. Okay? The next says oo, you, to, rule, oo, put, cook, up, but, come, oh, boat, no, oh, oh, all, boss, caught, a, soda, upon, earn, first, serve, father, after, ow, out, cow, house, I, my, pie, I, oi, oil, boy, noise. Okay? These are the different vowels that we are going to study this semester. It says definitions. As you progress through English pronunciation made simple, you will frequently see the terms articulators, vowels, and diphthongs. We are going to study diphthongs at the end of the semester if we have time, right? We will now define these terms for you. Articulators. The articulators are the different parts of the mouth area that we use when speaking, such as the lips, tongue, teeth, and jaw. Then we have a draw here, okay? Vowel. A vowel is a speech sound produced with vibrating vocal cords and a continuous unrestricted flow of air coming from the mouth. The most well-known vowels in English are A, E, I, O, U. The various vowel sounds are affected by the changing shape of position of your articulators. The different vowels are created by number one, the position of your tongue in the mouth. For example, the tongue is high in the mouth for the vowels E, as in C, but it is low the mouth for the vowel A, as in hot. The shape of your lips. For example, the lips are very rounded for the vowel U, U. As you can see, your mouth is rounded, as in nu, but are spread for E, as in C. Number three, the size of your jaw opening. For example, the jaw is open much wider for A, as in hot, than it is for the diphthong A, as in pay. Diphthong. What is a diphthong? A diphthong is a combination of two vowel sounds. It begins as one vowel and ends as another. During the production of a diphthong, your articulators glide from the position of the first vowel to the position of the second. For example, when pronouncing A, as in vain, your articulators glide from the vowel A to the vowel E. In English, the most common diphthongs are ow, a, I, oi, and o. But in this semester, we're going to study the diphthongs ow, oi, and I, okay? Ow, I, oi. Those three diphthongs. Then students, you have to study, you have to learn this chart by heart, okay? You have to learn this chart by heart. Okay, this is a classification of the vowel sounds and you can find it on the Ruben Villarreal's book, the one that you used the last semester. Okay, you have to learn this by heart. Okay, as the table shows, the vowel sounds can then be grouped in the following way. We have high vowels. What are the high vowels? Okay, E, I, U, U. Okay, the mid vowels are A, E, O, O. The low vowels are A, A. Okay? These are the low vowels, mid vowels, and high vowels. Okay, you can see a description here, high, mid, and low. Then here we have front, central, and back. Okay? When I say high front vowels, what are the high front vowels according to the chart? Okay, these ones, E and E. High front, okay? If I say low central, what is the low central vowel? Can you tell me? Low central, low and central is A, the famous schwa, okay? What if I say low back vowels? What is the low back vowel? This one, okay? Ah. Okay, students, you have to learn this by heart. Now you know it, okay? Here we have some reading. You can find this theory. You can find this theory on the book, okay? It is a description about the different vowels. The vowels can be classified according to height, according to backness, okay? According to backness, they can be front vowels, okay? E, I, A, E, A. Central vowel, A. Back vowels, U, U, O, O, A. Okay? The back vowels, okay? According to backness. According to backness. Okay, I'm going to read this. It says the high vowel sounds are specified plus high, the mid as plus mid, the low as minus high, the front as minus back, the central as plus central, and the back as plus back. The vowel sounds are also classified according to tenseness, okay? They can be tense or lax, okay? Tense or lax. According to roundness, they can be plus round or minus round. And according to length, they can be long and they can be short. Okay, for example, I'm going to illustrate this. In these two vowels, high front vowels, E and E, which one is the tense vowel? Can you tell me that? We have E and we have E. Which one is tense? This one, okay? E, you see? You see the tenseness there? E, C, me, T, it is tense. But what about this? It is lax, okay? It is fit, fit. It is not tense, so that's why it is lax. So as you can see, we have to classify the vowels according to these specific features, okay? And according to nasality, or nasalization, they can be plus nasal or minus nasal, okay? You can also say nasalized or non-nasalized, okay? The terms tense and lax are used to distinguish between E and E, okay, as I explained. A and E, U and U, O and O, in which the first vowel in each pair is tense, okay? This is tense, this is tense, this is tense. This is this is lax, this is lax, this is lax, and this is lax, okay? Okay, students, you can read this on Rubén Villarreal's book, okay? Here we have another theory, okay? The vowel sounds U, O, and O are round since they are articulated with certain degree of protrusion of the lips. All the other vowel sounds are spread, okay? When you pronounce the word O, you can notice that your lips are rounded. Oh, okay? Oh, okay? The other ones, all of the other ones, E, they are unround. They are unround, okay? It says, a vowel may also be long or short. A vowel becomes longer when it occurs before a voiced sound. Do you remember that? Voiced and unvoiced? Voiced sound or word finally. This the vowel sound a in mad, which is followed by a voiced sound d, is longer than in met. Okay, why? Because this sound d is voiced. Do you remember that? Is voiced and t is voiceless. Met. Okay, which is followed by a voiceless sound t. As well, the vowel sound e in free, which occurs where finally, is length. Okay? In a narrow transcription, long vowels are symbolized by placing a colon after the vowel. You are going to study that profoundly when you take the course Introduction to Linguistics in third year. Okay? Mad would then be transcribed as mad and free as free. Okay? Okay, a vowel can also be produced with certain degree of nasality or nasalization, that is by lowering the volume permitting the air to go out through the nasal cavity. Okay, a nasalized vowel is realized whenever it occurs before a nasal consonant, as in tone. As in tone, okay, you can notice that the air flows through your nasal cavity. Okay, students, you can read this on Rubén Villarreal's book. And this is the final paragraph. It says, in English, we also have diphthongs. A diphthong is a sequence of two vowel sounds in the same syllable. An actual diphthong does not contain a tense vowel. As indicated above, tense vowel sounds tend to be diphthongized, but they are not properly diphthongs. A lax vowel is not usually diphthongized, but it can be pronounced with a secondary vowel. For example, bed, which is usually transcribed as bed, can be pronounced bed. Notice the secondary vowel The secondary vowel is called anaphglise. However, we will ignore here all these diphthongal pronunciations and use as diphthongs only I as in bite, ow as in cow, and OE as in boy. Okay, students, in this semester we are going to study only these three diphthongs if we have time. Okay, we don't know what could happen, and yes, but I consider that we are going to have time to study the diphthongs. Okay, students, if you have any question, you can write it down on the forum on Moodle, okay? Or you can also make your consultations on the WhatsApp group. Okay, students, we are going to stop here. I'm not I don't want to overwhelm you with too much information, but I tell you that you need to read, okay? Read at home, be be intelligent, you have to read, you have to investigate, you have to research and learn by yourself, okay? Okay, students?